My name is Palmer Johnson. I'm a family law attorney in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and today I'm going to be talking about what is a guardian ad litem in a child custody matter. So, a guardian ad litem is an attorney, typically, that has gone through some special training to become a guardian ad litem that you can petition the court to appoint to make recommendations about what should happen in a case. And it's a good tool to use if there is a lot of conflicting evidence or opinions about what is in the best interest of the child, what the parties want, and potentially things that could be very difficult to present in court can be conveyed very easily to a guardian ad litem because they're going to look at all the moving parts and make some assessments. And ultimately, what they're going to do is make a recommendation based on the objective best interest of the child as to what they believe should happen in a child custody proceeding. And this is a really useful tool in cases where you have perhaps an alienating parent or someone who is constantly raising false allegations, making statements without evidence to back it up, accusing one party of misconduct. And it is another way that a child that is old enough to express some preference about what the visitation schedule is going to look like can be heard without actually having to go to court. So there is going to be an expense associated with appointing one of these. Typically, it'll be split between the parties, but it's a very useful tool for concisely conveying a lot of complicated evidence to the court, and oftentimes can lead to settlement and better outcomes for parties that potentially feel like they may be getting disadvantaged, or the other party has the upper hand, or some sort of undue influence over the proceedings. It can absolutely be a real game changer that levels the playing field. So it's a very useful tool, and in high conflict child custody matters, one that I particularly like to use. And if you find yourself with a high conflict child custody matter and need help navigating through that, you can contact me at moms.law, and I would be more than happy to talk to you about the specific details of your case and tools available to help protect your rights as a parent and get you the relief that you need.